golden chance to make it.
Helicopter, helicopter. Parakoper, parakoper.
Aktabikovic, the mistake! Anything can and does happen because that.
Oh yes.
Could it get better before half time? It could. Grealish couldn't find the target. What an opportunity!
Great run by Adebayor. He's in. Westwood saves. What a miss, Modric! What a miss by Modric! If this goes in, surely it
Doesn't make it. Here goes Mudryk bearing down on Hart. Squares it for Seacat. How on earth? That's unbelievable.
Bruyne. It's a good ball. It's in the goalkeeper. It's in the bar twice and they've not managed to get it in. First from Raheem Sterling.
Goal.
Bonbolita.